Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to be looking at the YoYoFit Rock fitness watch. And if you guys want to get a special discount code for the watch, stay tuned until the end of the video. So this is a neat little watch for tracking your fitness. In the box, you get the watch itself and a user manual, so there's not much in the box really. Let's take a closer look at the tracker. It features a 0.96 inch OLED screen. There is one touch sensitive button located under the brushed aluminium part of the watch. And with this button, you just simply tap it once to switch between the screens, and you can also long press to have additional functionality in each screen. Then on the back of the device, there is the heart rate monitor. Now you might be thinking, how do you charge the device? Well, you remove the straps on the watch to reveal a USB, which is how you charge the device. You can plug this USB into any USB outlet that's capable of delivering power. I've been using a simple USB wall plug and just plugging it straight in. It would have been handy if they had have included a cable for charging, as this is a little awkward sometimes getting the watch in the socket, but the battery life on this thing is amazing. It's lasted me 5 days so far without needing to be charged. And that's with normal use, like tracking my daily steps, checking my heart rate, and checking the time regularly. So the slightly awkward charging is much less of a problem when you actually realize how good the battery life is, and you'll only really need to do it once or twice a week. Plus you can always buy a cheap cable to make this a lot easier. So let's move on to the features of the watch. The main screen has the time, date, and the battery status. The next screen is your step counter, then your distance walked and calories burned, then the heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, and a built-in game which should hopefully keep you entertained between workout sessions or breaks when you're bored. And the last screen is your settings screen. All of the information that is tracked through the watch can be viewed through the iXFit app, where in addition you can also track your sleep patterns if you wear the tracker while you sleep, which is pretty cool. The app is simple and very easy to use, although it can be a little slow when connecting to the device when you're starting it up, but overall it serves its purpose for reviewing the collected data very well. So the device is not overflowing with features, but if you are looking for a cheap fitness tracker, then this will definitely fit your needs on a budget. The tracker is very comfortable to wear and has plenty of room for adjustment to get the perfect fit, and is currently available in two colours, black, which you can see in the video, and blue. Overall, I think this is a great little fitness tracker for the price and the features that you get. At the time of making this video, it is retailing for $29.99 on Amazon, but as I mentioned at the start of the video, I have a special discount code which can get you 20% off. And I'll put this on the screen now, and it will also be in the video description with a link to the product on Amazon. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little review. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos from myself, then hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.